All right, timer is rolling. We have got 2 minutes to buy Jasmy, and the good thing here is that Jasmy is one of the easiest cryptos out there to buy. So if you're watching videos that make it sound complicated, it's not. Let's roll. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna click that link down below, and that's gonna take you to Coinbase.com, which is a crypto wallet and a crypto exchange, and you're gonna end up on a site like this, and you're gonna click sign up and go through their sign up process. Once you've gone through their sign-up process, you're going to end up on an account that looks just like this one right here, except you'll probably have different balances. Now you're going to go up here and you're going to need to give Coinbase access to your bank account or credit card or PayPal or however you want to get money into the crypto world here. Now the way you do that is you'll click your account right there, you'll go all the way across to payment methods, and you'll add a new payment method. Now like I said, you can use your bank, you can use a credit card, or you can use PayPal, and as you can see, I use all three. Doesn't matter which one you use here to buy Jasmy. Okay, now we just need to go find Jasmy in Coinbase, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to go right here to trade. Okay, when we click trade, we're going to type in Jasmy right here, and it's going to search and pull up right there. We've got a buy button, and we can select which account we want to pull from. You can see bank, credit card, or PayPal, and then we'll just select how much coins we want to buy, and we will click preview buy. And then please note, Coinbase does have fees, so there will be some small fee that comes along with this. In this case, it's about $3, but with the potential of Jasmy, I think it's worth the $3 fee here. We'll click buy now, and we'll see it show up in our wallet. Now to check that your purchase went through and you actually have Jasmy, you'll get an email that lets you know you purchased it, but you can also click right here on assets, which is like your different wallets, and you can scroll down right here and you'll see I've got Jasmy coin. I have more than $100 worth because I already had some, but that's where you'll see your Jasmy coin balance. And it looks like we did it in 2 minutes or less. We showed you how to purchase this Jasmy coin. If this is the kind of tutorial you like that's quick, to the point, and non-flashy, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.